Hi kids, I'm back again and let's all practice some yoga poses together. So today we are going to be practicing 5 yoga poses that will energize you and relax your mind. Just follow what I'm doing and just try your best. So the first yoga pose that we are going to start with is cat and cow. So for that you have to come on all 4 position. How do we come in all 4 position? You come on your knees like this and you come on your palms. So this is all 4 position. So your palms are resting down, your wrist is underneath your shoulders, your knees are underneath your hips. Your wrist shoulder width apart and your knees are hip width apart. So let's start. Drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in through your nose. This is cow, moo. Breathe out, round your spine. Make a C with your spine. Breathe out through your nose. This is cat, meow. So let's go in moo, drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in through your nose, moo. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button, meow. Breathe out through your nose. Drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. This is cow, moo. And breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. This is cat, meow. So let's go moo, breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. Really good for relaxing your spine and your lower back and also giving you a nice stretch in your neck. So one more time, breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, make a C with your spine, chin to the chest, look at your belly button. Now get your spine to normal position. From here, we are going to do another pose that's called downward dog. Press into your palms, tuck your toes, open your fingers wide, knees up, hips up. Push your hips up and back. Push your chest towards your legs and just breathe. And don't worry if your heels are not touching the mat, that's fine. Keep pressing into your palms, keep pushing your chest towards your legs and keep breathing. Downward dog is a great pose for stretching your upper body and your lower body. Breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your knees down. And now we are going to go in cobra pose. So you're going to rest your right forearm down, left forearm down, take your right leg back and your left leg back. And you come in baby cobra. And then relax your toes, look forward, press into your palms, press into your toes, open your heart, breathe, let your shoulders relax down and back, breathe. Cobra pose is really good for opening your upper back and relaxing your spine and your lower back as well. Keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now that we are in cobra pose, I will also share with you cobra breathing. It's really fun. So get your palms underneath your shoulders, press into your palms, lift yourself up, say what? Hiss. And breathe in. Breathe out, lower down your chest. Breathe out through your nose. We're going to do this 2 more times. Come up, hiss. And breathe in. Breathe out through your nose, lower down your chest. We do this 1 more time. Press into your palms, come up, hiss. Breathe in. Breathe out, lower down your chest, breathe out through your nose. Now from here we're going to go in crocodile pose. So just rest your palms down, rest your chin on your palms and just look forward. Relax in crocodile pose, breathe. And from crocodile pose, let's practice bow pose together. So bend your right leg and your left leg. Lift your chest up, take your right arm back to hold your right foot, left arm back to hold your left foot. You can hold it from your ankles or you can hold your toes. Yeah, whatever you hold from the right side, do the same thing on the left side. So lift your thighs off the mat, breathe. Sometimes we also call this basket pose. So in yoga we can have different names for same poses too. So just stay here, lift your knees up, lift your chest up, breathe. Really a great stretch for your shoulders, for your arms, for your lower back. Keep breathing for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently rest your knees down, release your hands. Now take your hands underneath your shoulders, extend your legs back and we all will go in downward dog. So take your palms underneath your shoulders, press into your palms, lift yourself up like a cobra, come on your knees. Take your wrist underneath your shoulders, open your fingers wide, tuck your toes, lift your knees up, hips up, push your hips back, go in downward dog, breathe. And from downward dog, you rest your knees down. We all go in child pose. So take your hips back towards your heels. Stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead closer to the mat or on the mat, whatever is easier for you. Child pose is a great pose for relaxing, releasing our stress and anxiety. So whenever you feel tired, anxious, stressed, just go in child pose. Stretching your arms forward, breathe in, breathe out, take your hips back towards your heels. Continue to hold and breathe. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come out of the pose, take your palms in and sit back in crisscross applesauce. So these are the 5 yoga poses that I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Do practice these yoga poses even after you're done with this lesson, whenever you feel like. I'll see you again. Namaste. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.